Sure didn't look like you were having any fun with that heavy metal gaze. They'll have to measure that in tons. And when you look up at the sky, all you see are zeros, and all you see are zeros and ones. You took my hand and led me down to watch a Cupid doll parade. And we let the kittens lick our hair and drink our chalky lemonade. It's not that I just didn't care, I must admit I was afraid. And I'm awful glad my fingers resting gently on the Master Fade. The Master Fade, I could have played along. Master Fade, no, I could have played mahjong, but it just takes too long, and I just can't remember which way the east wind blows. Does it matter if we're all matter? What's the matter? Does it matter if we matter when we're done? When the sky's full of zeros and ones. Saw you standing all alone in the electrostatic rain. I thought at last I'd found a situation you can't explain. With GPS, you know it's all just a matter of degrees. Your happiness won't find you underneath that canopy of trees. If the green grass is 6 and the soybeans are 7 and the June bugs are 8, the weeds and thistles are 11, and if the ones just hold the place, all the zeros make a smiley face when they come floating down from the heaven. You took my hand and led me down to watch a Papillon parade. And we let the kittens lick our hair and drink our chalky lemonade. She squeezed my hand and told me softly that I shouldn't be afraid. 'Cause all the while your fingers resting gently on the Master Fade. Master Fade, no, could have played along. Master Fade, no, I could have played mahjong, but it just takes too long. Who the hell can remember which way the east wind blows when you're lying on the ground, staring up at that inverted compass? I mean, Christ, who